Welcome back, Kaspa traders, lovers, investors. Today we're going to talk about the bullish triangle that's forming on the Kaspa price. You gotta pay attention, sir. This is what you want to pay attention. This kind of behavior, this kind of price action, price behavior is what you want to follow. You don't want to follow rubbish, nonsense, news, garbage, tech, fluff, floofly fluff. No. Charts are the daddy. They will tell you once the coin will pump and how violent it's gonna be. So look, this is chart of Kaspa. Okay, we're talking about here. You had a triangle here. You can draw it like that from here, like this little triangle here. Okay, this little triangle was from September till November, pretty much, like 50 days, something like 50 days. A triangle here in November. Okay, and look what happened after that. You had this 50 days a triangle, and you had a 3x. Now again, price was consolidating under this resistance since August. Okay, so you have August till November consolidation and then an explosion. Okay, now we're forming a similar price action. Okay, you have this triangle here that is forming. Look at this one, man. This triangle here that is forming from June, beginning of June. We're already now entering August. Okay, so we're talking about around roughly 60 days. We're now in this triangle here. Okay, now you have a very, very similar behavior. Before that, you had prior resistance of couple of months back. Okay, and right here, same idea. You have prior resistance of couple months back of March and February 2024. We had the same resistance that we're having now of June, July, and now we're testing it. So man, this is the time to pay attention if you are a Kaspa trader, if you are a Kaspa hodler. And if you're not a Kaspa trader or a hodler, man, time to wake the F up from and take out your head from the toilet, because this kind of price behavior, if it can break above the 20 cents mark, I'll show you now. Let's zoom in here on where we are now. Let's clean this. Okay, let's keep it up. You see here, this is the breakout point. Okay, you want to see a close above 20 cents pretty much, and that's your resistance. I'll show you what I'm talking about. The resistance here, if we look on line chart, let's look on line chart to show you what we're talking about on the daily closes. Okay, so you can see that was the highest daily close at around 1.9. Okay, before that we had the resistance here of the daily closes. Okay, so you can see here we had some struggles here on the 1.8. That was that strong resistance. Obviously that was the resistance here. Okay, that was the major resistance. Now we look like we're closing. You can see this is the line chart. Okay, it tells you only the close of the candle without the scammy wicks. Okay, now we're closing here. Now you want to see Kaspa keep closing above the 18 cents and start closing above the 192. Okay, you want to see start closing daily candles above the 192, and then it's gonna pump, man. It's gonna pump. Okay, that's what we're looking for. Okay, this is the Kaspa triangle is trying to, it's gonna come up to an end soon. You don't have a lot of room to go in this triangle. Okay, if you connect these wicks. Okay, if you want to draw it even tighter without the wicks, you can even draw it like this. So you have maximum till mid-August to break out, and it's probably gonna pump before that. Okay, but you want to pay attention to the downside. Again, these charts, they're like 70% of the time they break to the upside, man, most likely, but you still have 30%. So if you lose this level, you're probably gonna go more sideways, or maybe create a bigger triangle, or maybe even retest this low or this low, whatever, and you have to wait a little bit more. Okay, but again, once you break and close above this level, man, things will go nuclear. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this content. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, click the bell. If you want to come along and trade with us, we're expecting major crypto bull run to come now in this summer. Actually, major bull run in August as well. We just need a little push of Bitcoin so for it to not be scammy, and you're gonna get a very, very, very bullish crypto environment overall. If you want to come and trade with us, link in the description. See you in the next video. Cheers.